What is happening, YouTube? How are you guys doing? It is the afternoon and we are about to have breakfast for dinner. We are having biscuits and gravy tonight. This is a super simple recipe, easy to make, fast to get the whole family fed. We're even gonna feed a few neighbors. You only need a few ingredients, some sausage. I like Jimmy Dean's, but it's hard to find in our local grocery store because of the pandemic. We got some milk. I got 2.5 cups of milk. I got 8 eggs. I got a tube of biscuits. There we go. That's the right way up. And a 1/4 cup of flour. I got a little bit of pepper. The sausage will bring plenty of salt into the gravy, but I do need to add some pepper. It's as simple as that, guys. GoPro wants to go right now. So I'm gonna cook the biscuits on the Blackstone, and I'm gonna cook the sausage gravy on the Camp Chef Sidekick. Good little units for the cooking that we're about to do this afternoon. So let's just snap right into it. What do you think? Okay, I'll leave that recording. I'm gonna fire this up. Okay, 1 pound of sausage in the pot. We're gonna wanna get all this sausage nice and browned up. Okay, once you got your sausage nice and browned up like this, your next step is going to be to add the flour. Take a 1/4 cup of flour and add it in your pan. Do not drain the sausage. You need that grease in there to help thicken the gravy. In a sense, we're making a roux. That stuff's going to be great down here. Once you get that flour mixed in, just like so, you're going to want to add your milk. Stir in your milk. Get that goodness off the bottom of that pan. You want all that goodness in your gravy. Then you're going to bring this to a simmer and stir until it thickens. At this point right here, I'm going to add a little flour, or I'm going to add a little pepper. Just like so. Yeah. Turn it down just a little bit. I just want that to slow simmer here. There we go. See how nice that thickens up? How quickly it thickens up? It's good gravy. Oh, libers. What happened? Okay, just like that, our gravy is done. To the Blackstone. Gravy is done. Shut this off. Bring this over here, just like so. Now let's fire up the Blackstone. Get this Blackstone nice and warm. Get rid of that. Do you guys ever get scared opening a can of biscuits? Does it make you nervous? Makes me nervous. Like it's gonna go boom! Or pop in your face. Okay, the next step is our biscuits. And our biscuits, I cook on low, maybe a touch over low, and I cover with a lid. So I want to align my biscuits where they'll fit underneath this lid. I specifically bought this lid just for biscuits. Just like that. Now that kind of like makes an oven on the Blackstone. Pretty cool, huh, guys? I wonder if you can hear that. Yeah, that's a lot better, I think. Need to put a mat back here is what I need to do. Okay, guys, let's check our biscuits. Let's see how they do. They look nice and fluffy. Look at that golden brown. I'm talking, let's do all 3. Oh, got a little dark there. Let's see what this one, maybe a little dark. No, perfect. Perfect, perfect. I'm gonna put the biscuits right here. Put the biscuits right there and cook my eggs right there. Okay, here we go. Pop a little seasoning down on the eggs, just like so. Let's check our, oh yeah, those puppies are looking nice. Okay. I like to split them just like this and then put them back on the griddle for a little bit. Split them, get that inside nice and crunchy. Those puppies are hot, you guys. How's that look? Think I can flip all 4 of those eggs at once? No, but I bet you I can flip 3 of them. Okay, how's our gravy looking? Gravy's still looking great. See that? Nice golden brown. So you got like a nice crispy biscuit all the way around the gravy. Do you know what I mean? Like crunch all the way through the biscuit. All right, let's see if I can flip these puppies. Still got it, boys and girls. Biscuit top. Egg, some biscuits. Biscuits, egg, little gravy. A lot of gravy. Can't skimp on the gravy. Biscuit. 1 egg in the center. Gravy. Couple eggs. Gravy. What do you guys think about that? Quick, easy, cheap, and delicious. We're gonna have this for dinner tonight, and let me tell you, woo, she's gonna be good. Let's try it. I like putting over easy eggs on mine, but oh yeah. I can already tell you how it's gonna be, guys. Delicious. Spot on. So good. I better try another bite before the outro. Hey, I want to thank you guys a lot for watching. I sure do appreciate it, especially if you get this far into the video. If you could give me a like button or a comment or anything like that, that would be great. That would help with the algorithm of YouTube and help get my videos out to more people just like you. And I appreciate that. So, until next time, we'll catch you later. Holy, that's good.